Ayan, Ate May. Ito na yung bigay ni Zach kay Ate Ashley. Video natin. Yan. Dahil 18th birthday ni Ate Ashley. Yun, siya ng cake nila, Ate May. Happy birthday! Galing yan kala, Ate May.
Thank you po.
Buksan mo. Sakto dalawa. Lagay mo yung isa dun. Oh. Wow!
Ayaw ko silang birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Queen.
Happy birthday.
Magaling. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Dito kayo dito. Maganda ba?
Teka, play na lang.
Wow! Wow! Ay! Ay, dumala. Order na daw po kayo pag kailangan nyo ng mga bulaklak na ganyan, no? Picture. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Candle. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Uy! Magtutugay mo! Anong wish? Blow candle!
Blow candle.
Blow mo candle mo!
Blow.
Yun! Happy birthday to you!
Ano tanggal?
Siguro yan lang.
Esquimalog!
Makikakain muna tayo sa birthday nila Ashley. Kakain ka? Ayaw, bakit? Nakablog ka pala? Oo. Ginagawa niyo? Ano bang ginagawa niyo? Dalang! Bakit? Ano yung